Let's examine another example of a designed experiment. Take a few seconds to read the scenario. So now that you're familiar with the situation, first thing we want to do is identify the explanatory variables. And in this experimental design, we have two explanatory variables. One is the length of the commercial, and the other is the number of times the commercial was seen by the students. The response variable is what the researchers want to study, which is the recall of the ad. How well do the students recall the ad? The attitude towards the camera, which is being advertised, and whether they intend to buy the camera. And again, it's based off of the treatments, the various treatments related to the explanatory variables, right? The factors, which were length and repetition, how many times they saw the commercial and how long they saw the commercial. It turns out that turns out to produce 6 total treatments. And so you can see each of those treatments is identified here. And then what would the design look like if we drew a diagram? You'll see how your participants, your students, a group of these students gets the treatment, and then we would examine the response variable. And so that's another example of a designed experiment.